What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are in my lovely shop, the best shop in the world. Today we have got my bike to prep because we're going back to Red Bull tomorrow, and obviously I was doing a lot of extreme riding past 2 weekends, so as you can see, the Blues tyre has taken a beating. Don't even look like there's out left inside of it. So, need to address that. New tyre. Sort rim locks out. I actually ripped the rim lock out of that one yesterday, riding a bog track, which I'm going to put in at the end of this video, so you can all go and enjoy that. It's actually sick. The bog track at Calm, it's like a mud track, consists of about 10 bends, 2 little jumps, loads of ruts. Funniest thing you can ride. So, without further ado, bike's just been washed by my brother. Thank you very much. Should we just appreciate this, by the way? These grips have been on since I bought the bike. Try that out then, eh? 40 hours, one set of grips. But yeah, gonna get it on a stand now, get the wheel off. I'll even show you how to change a rear tyre with more than 2 rim locks. So stay tuned for more. Right, so we'll just throw the bike on a stand now. If I can manage. Oh, find it where there's not a rim lock. Just like that. We'll get that wheel off and we'll get cracking. Use strong arm 30mm socket. Get it on there. Just like that. Need a tap. Right, we're back. Go and grab the other wheel now, which is lurking somewhere. Got the Blues tyres, fresh set, ready for it. So I'm going to stick them on. Get the stickers put on as well. Got some stickers to go around them, which will look sick. And other than that, got to obviously bolt this back on because I had a little tumble at weekend, didn't I? Got a little rip in my seat. But yeah, other than that, let's go and get this tyre sorted and get it built. Guys, we're on. We're changing the tyre. I'm going to be doing more super enduro orientated stuff. So I've got a harder mousse in this tyre. It's not drilled or anything. It's only got 1 rim lock in at the minute. And I'm going to fit another one. Oh, get all the tyre levers out. I use 4 tyre levers. Change my tyre. Slot them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin it down. Pull the middle 2 in first. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Using the Rabaconda. Make things a bit quicker. Push down on that like that. They do tend to get stuck though. Not the smartest design in the world, once the warning. As you can see, I'm having difficulty pushing my tyre off. Every time. There we go. So, tyre, wheel. Go and drill this out now. Get another rim lock in it. I only tend to use the genuine rim locks, and then I'll go anyway because the phone's calling. Right guys, so second rim lock in, nice. Other rim lock done. Back on stand. Right, now we need to get something on our hands to pull that mousse out. You won't be able to see me, but get something on that mousse to pull that out. Put the Blues on to get go karting. So without further ado, I'll get on with it. Right, so got our mousse lube already in our tyre. Gonna get this mousse out of here now. I know you probably can't see the floor, but you'll see the mousse now when I pull it out. Oh, it's actually getting there now. I'll have to change that soon for the harder stuff, like super enduro bits, because it's quite deep in this tyre as well, which ain't that good. You don't want too much flex when you're hitting hard obstacles, because it bounces you off balance a lot. Right, so when we're fitting a tyre with 2 rim locks, first of all, you've got to check the rotation of the tyre. Get the first rim lock in, give it a push down like so. Take these gloves off because your probably hands get dirtier inside them than they do on the outside. Get your lever. I don't know how much of it this you can see, but I'll talk you through it anyway. So you're just working it, both sides, nice and easy. Watching a nice new rim like this one is. Get that in there. Get your knee on that because it's not having it. Push that in. Gotta have tough knees if you like changing tyres as well. Right, so you've got to flick it over now, and you've got a rim lock. I'll grab the phone. And you've got a rim lock normally looking like this. So you get your tyre lever there, give it a nice little tap like that. Then you're going to get 2 tyre levers, one either side. See if we can balance you just there. Nah. Alright, anyway. So you get your 2 tyre levers in here like this. Uno, dos. And then you get your other tyre lever, your third one, used as your tapper. So you got to pull back on them, tap that one in a little bit if it wanted to move, work it a little bit. Just get over. There you go, just like that. Push them 2 down, push your rim lock up, push that back in. Boom. That one's in, flip it over, push your mousse solid in, pick your rim lock that you want to start at, lock that one in there, push that rim lock in. I tend to go for a bit of a greed approach there. Push, push. Come into your second rim lock now, got to just give that a push in, make sure that's solid. Now get a big grip there, and then that pushes it all in together. So you're pretty much done now. Normally your tyre will get a bit tight here, so put your knee here, push right down, and that allows the room on this side. I'm not going to do that today because I've got a slightly softer tyre, so it goes on a little bit easier. Last bit, and voila, 2 rim locks fitted in an extreme tyre. Just like so. Tighten your rim locks up, don't forget. I've also got a pretty sticker to fit on this one as well, which you'll see in a minute. Just tighten these up and then we'll give the tyre a wipe and get some stickers fitted. I do normally run 3 rim locks, but for this wheel normally you've got a fatter mousse, so the 3 wouldn't go on, or it'd make it extremely difficult. But I hope you're finding this very useful. Also, if you do find it useful, make sure you tap in that like button. It does help our channel grow. Also, smash that subscribe button so I can keep these videos going. That's them tight. Voila. And we'll get some stickers now. So we've got these factory stickers from Clues. I don't actually know where to stick them on. Anyway, we'll go over the Grand Prix bit. So I believe you peel them like this. And if you do order these tyres through us, we'll complimentary throw you in some factory stickers so you can be like the rest of us. When Josh did this in the shop, he was a bit better than me at where he put it. So you just rub this in now with a pound coin. Hopefully I'm doing it good. These do look absolutely insane when they're finished. Hello, Betty's Bikes. Right, so we've got the sticker on now. Bush. It's looking factory as fuck, boy. So, I hope you all found that video very helpful. I'm just going to pack it away now, put the wheel back on my bike, check over it. I need to tighten the headstock because it felt like it was coming loose yesterday. So I'm going to do that. See if my rear pipe's bent because something looks like it's going on at the back. And then I'm going to... So now this video is finished, obviously I hope it's helped you. I'm going to now put the bog track video in straight after this to give you some more entertainment. Sickest thing at count, well, one of the sickest things at count, just pure fun and good to ride. So hope you all enjoyed the video. On to the bog track. See you in a bit.